One of the most common things I get asked is, does Microsoft 365 have a task manager? The answer is absolutely. It's called To Do. So Microsoft To Do is your task manager. Now, it's being connected into the Outlook ecosystem. So when you actually go and open the app, it's now taking over task management. It's been a long process to get take over your task list, but honestly, it's becoming the default and it cannot come soon enough. So let's go and have a quick look. So we've got my Microsoft To Do open here. You can access it from your from office.com. Look for the To Do icon and then you'll launch here. There's also an app for your PC and there's an app for your mobile devices. So go download that. It's going to help you a lot. So the way we use this particular tool is you've got your tasks themselves, and this is really easy. You can start typing in ideas, and you just type away, hit enter, type away, hit enter. Same sort of concept works on your apps, and it's just really, really simple to get those ideas out of your head. Once you've done that, we can drill in and we can sort of start doing a little bit more about this. We can set up reminders, we can add due dates, we can set up repeating items. We can also add categories to help filter out and get an idea of what's just via color coding and other things. These match those categories you've gone and set up in your inbox in Outlook. We can also add notes and files. But one of the other things I really love is the fact that it can go and surface other information. For example, all of those flagged emails that you've been flagging since you got Outlook and you started using your inbox, you've been flagging those items to follow up later, and then you forget. Guess what? There's a dedicated task list which surfaces all of those flagged emails. Did this for one particular client, and she had 2 years worth of flagged emails that she just didn't have any visibility on. Guess what? She had lots and lots of fun ticking off lots of tasks that have been were actually a long time ago. But the same thing is that you flag that email, but you can also do reminders, set up repeating um, uh, tasks. But you've also got links back to the original email message where it came from. Super cool, super powerful. The next one is about assignments. So if you've been busy building out your planner boards to try to allocate tasks and activities and get projects and stuff done in your business and then assign it to different people, well, guess what? Every task that is assigned to you ends up in your assigned to me task list inside of To Do. And you can track that in one place across multiple tasks and multiple planner boards. You'll see here that there's multiple different planner boards, operations, content creation, admin, etc., that's going across all of these particular planner boards. So you can very easily keep track of what you need to do. There's a completed list. I actually recommend you turn this one on, mainly because on the mobile devices, it's very easy to accidentally complete a task and then got to go work out where it is again. It will be in your completed item again. You can have a look at all the tasks across everything that's going on. You can sort all of that stuff as well, and you can actually group things together. Anything that's planned has specific dates, and it actually breaks it down based on when those things are due. So today, tomorrow, next day, it's all done relatively. But the most powerful feature, I believe, is when you're looking at your task list, the biggest challenge you have is that you have a very large number of things that you need to get done. Your task list never actually empty. There's always, especially as a business owner, there's more things to add to your task list every single day. You tick three off, another five get added, right? It's this continuous cycle. But to get productive and not being overwhelmed, we need to sort of filter out and go, what do I need to focus on today? This is where my day comes in. Now, Microsoft themselves, they've got this suggestions option where you can actually go and view the suggestions, and it's going to use AI and other techniques to bring out things that might be important for you to focus on today. Once you do this, the idea is to pick about five. No more than 5 things that you're going to tick off today. If you don't get to those items, that's okay. They just roll in and you can then pick them up again tomorrow. So each morning you come in and you pick your 5 key items, or 3, doesn't matter. And these are the ones I'm going to focus on. So in this case, this is a task that's tagged as urgent. Pretty good chance I need to get onto that. Another task here I've got is from flagged emails that I need to follow up. It's I just need to close out a case. Um, there's this other ones here as well. So I'm going to add a few in. There's a couple here that are a little bit behind. So I probably should get at least one of those. So now I've got my 5 items. I can then start working on these. Again, same deal. We've got all the capabilities of what we had depending on where it came from. This one here is a flagged email. This one here is from an assigned task. Most of these are flagged emails. So this is my focus list. I focus on this today. I get this stuff done. I move on. Done. Tomorrow, I repeat the process and continuously add. Now you can add tasks specifically directly in here. A part of my workflow is to go through, pick out the things I need to focus on, my backlog of tasks. That's the first thing I do. Then I check my emails for anything urgent. I flag it and add it into my task list. Now I have the things that I need to go and work on. Everything else is noise, and I can start ignoring it. This is the way to get productive. And at the end of the day, you go back and review your my day and check that there's any particular tasks. And if you're using, I think there's a particular strategy, right, where you, whilst you're winding down for the day, you start thinking, well, what's all the things that I need to do? What's all the new tasks I can add? And then you can start building up that list. When you're doing this way, flag those things as important so they're easy for you to identify tomorrow when you go through your and start assigning day. Cool? This is task management 101, right? Get stuff done. Use to do, use the tools, take advantage of what's there, and stop building such a big list of tasks you never get to. Hope you found that useful. Until next time, bye for now.